Hey, do you want green screen memes on your stream? Well, this is what a green screen meme is.
This has not gone well.
By doing this, you'll get a lot more interaction from your chat. Now, let me put on my tutorial voice and we'll get into it. Hi, I'm going to teach you how to add green screen videos that are triggered by your Twitch chat without the need for channel points. This will work if you're not an affiliate. Doing this helps you build your audience by giving them a little something extra they can do, even before you unlock channel points on Twitch. This type of automation does not work for YouTube streaming. I don't know if this will work for Streamlabs desktop as I don't use it. OBS, I recommend version 28 as it has the WebSocket server built in. Touch Portal, the desktop app and the mobile app. Both are required. I cannot tell you how powerful this tool is as a streamer. $15 for a truly customizable stream deck from your phone that you can control your entire stream with. It's absolutely worth it. This tutorial requires the paid version. The video you want to green screen, find one you like, but for our purposes we're going with a short one. Let's get started. First, open OBS and in the scene you want the video to appear in, click the plus here, then add media source. Give it an applicable name, in this case Mission Complete to match our video. Next, ensure you uncheck Restart Media when scene becomes active. Then, tick Close File when not in use. This is a massive performance boost. Ensure you do this no matter how much RAM your system has. Now with the video at the top of the list, to ensure that it's above everything else, right click and press Filters. In this lower section, click plus, click Chroma key in the list. Do not change any of the variables and click Done. You can test this now in OBS by clicking the play button with Mission Complete selected. As you can see, the green chroma is gone and you can see the screen behind it. If you can't hear the audio yourself, go into the advanced audio properties and set this to monitor and output. This will let both you and your stream hear the audio if there is audio on the video. If you want to have these on a manual trigger, you can leave it here and just assign a hotkey. But we're moving on to Touch Portal automation. Ensure that you're starting Touch Portal cold, as in it's not been running in the background while you added the media file. Touch Portal won't see it and you'll have to restart the program. With Touch Portal open on your desktop, select the Events tab. Usually I like to put items in relevant folders. In this case, we're just going to create one event so it can sit right here. Click the plus, then add event. Give it a name that's relevant, and in the drop-down list, on chat message event and select it. Here you've got a series of options on how to restrict the usage, how often and by whom. There are also options relating to how specific the chatter has to be. Contains, meaning it can be anywhere in the message. Starts with, meaning it must be at the front of the message. Ends with, being the opposite of that. And is equals to, meaning it must match exactly. Once you've set the parameters how you want them, add the text to trigger the event. In this case, Mission Complete. Next, create the flow of actions. On the left-hand side, open the OBS drop-down and select Restart Media Source. Once you've found the green screen video in your list, press Save. Before you test this in OBS, you must have the Touch Portal app on your phone. Now, as you can see, I typed the message in the chat doc, and the effect triggered. Please leave a like if this worked for you and tell us in the comments how you'll use it. The sky really is the limit with this functionality. There's so much power behind Touch Portal and all the things it can do to make your life easier. And not just in terms of streaming, there's all sorts of other things it can do. If you'd like some more examples of how you can make streaming easier and more automated with these tools, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks again, see you next time.